Ever seen a bird that carries its own built-in umbrella? Meet the long wattled umbrella bird, one of the rainforest's most mysterious stars. Found in Central and South America, this bird's massive throat wattle inflates like a shiny black balloon, turning it into the ultimate sound amplifier, its calls echoing like a superstar through the treetops. Males aren't shy about showing off either. They perform wild, almost comical dances, bouncing and flapping to impress the females. But don't be fooled by its dramatic appearance. These birds are masters of stealth, blending seamlessly into the dark forest canopy. Their diet is mostly fruit, but they're surprisingly quick, snatching insects when the opportunity arises. Imagine wandering through a jungle and suddenly spotting this gothic-looking marvel. It feels like stepping into a fantasy world where evolution loves drama. Stay curious, stay wild. Subscribe now to discover more animal wonders, fun facts, and doodle adventures in every video. Every movement, every call is a reminder that the rainforest is full of creatures stranger and more spectacular than you could ever imagine.